We need here 300 grams biscuit. Any biscuit you can take, it's optional. And now 2 sachet of Eno, 1 cup powder sugar or icing sugar, 1 bottle for decorating colorful soft, and here our cocoa powder. These all are ingredients. Now we have to make one butter paper. So for butter paper, I will cut the shape according to the container. Whichever shape of container is, I will cut it. Now I have cut it down it. So you can see I'm cutting it. Now you can see like this the shape. I am taking this container, so I will make this type of shape of the paper so that you can fix it in the container. Now, how to make a butter paper? First, what you have to do, take one refined oil and a few drops you have to put in it. Now with a greaser brush we will grease it like this. Can you see it? Now with refined oil we will grease it like this. Okay, now we have greased it like this, you can see, but oil is I think more. So with a clean cloth we will take out its extra oil like this. Take out its extra oil. Now yes, like this. Now you can see it's little bit good. Clean the extra oil. Now our butter paper is ready. So now you can see, so simple it is to make a butter paper. No need to go market. Okay, now keep it at the side. Okay, first our container we have to grease our container with oil. You can do with butter or ghee also. With butter or ghee also you can do it. Now I'm going to put that butter paper which I have made it, I'm going to put it in the container. As you can see, it's fixed. That is why I'm cutting it in the container shape. Now you can see it, it's fixed. Okay, see it. Now keep it in the side. Okay, our all ingredients are ready. Now keep it in the side. Okay, now we have to take one grinder, any grinder which you have at the home. Now 150 gram I'm taking the biscuit first. So I'll cut it and put it in the grinder. Okay, now as you can see, I have put it in the grinder. Now I will grind it. Now as you can see here, very powder type. It's grinded. Okay, now 150 gram more. We have to take total 300 grams biscuit. so 150 gram more. Before we have taken 150 gram, and now also we are taking 150 gram, so it's 300 gram. Now you can see, so powder like this we want for the batter. Now it's ready, so now we can start preparing our batter. So mix it well. Now 2 sachets of ENO we want, but we will put it in the last, not now. Okay, so we will put it in the last, not now. Now we don't have to put, we have to put now 1 cup of icing sugar or powder sugar. 1 cup I am putting in it, and I will mix it well. As you can see, like this we have to mix it very well. Now you can see it's mixed. So now one third cup milk we have to put. Okay, now mix it well. Little bit you have to put, and then mix, then again put, then again mix. Okay, like this consistency. Now I have made it, the batter is ready almost. Like this you can see, this type of consistency should be there. Okay, like this. So yummy it's looking. Okay, now we have to put the ENO. For 1 sachet of ENO I will put. Now another packet I will put. Like this. Now mix it well. Mix it very well. Now we will take our container, and we will put the batter in the container like this. You have to put all the batter in the container. Okay, now tap it so that its level will be same at the level. You can see I have tapped it well. Now I have cutted some dry fruits. So some of the dry fruits I will put it in the batter like this. As you can see, it's ready. Now our cake, I have put the cooker at the, so that it can be preheat for 10 minutes. I have put it in it some salt and 1 plate. Okay. Now I have put the batter inside the cooker with the help of aluminium foil strip. So now put it for baking for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so we will make our first white milk whipping cream. So 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon we have to put corn flour. Now I am putting in it 2 tablespoon powder sugar. Okay, now we will mix it well. And now I'm going to put it in the big bowl. Okay. Now mix it again. Okay. Now we will keep it at the side. When cake will bake, then I'll make the whipping cream. Not now. At the last we'll make after the cake bakes. Okay. So bye for now. We'll meet when the cake will bake. So guys, our cake is ready. Its base, you can see, we will take out the butter paper like this. So now you can see so spongy it is. See, so spongy it is. Now we will decorate it. Now cut it into the half, 2 pieces, and then we will make the whipping cream. Now at the low flame, cook it. So guys, our whipping cream is ready. So we will put it in the cake. Now we are going to bake a frosting, chocolate frosting. Okay. So for frosting, we want 3 tablespoons powder sugar, and then we want 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, now we want 1 cup of water. Okay, 1 cup of water I'm bringing. So 1 cup of water I will put it in it. Now mix it well till it looks like thick. Okay, it should be thicker. Now as you can see, our frosting is little bit you can see here our frosting is ready, almost is ready. See, now it's ready. So now we will put the frosting into our delicious cake like this. Put it in the between and shake the plate so that it can be cover whole cake. Okay. Now see, like this you have to shake it, and a little bit you have to lift it like this. You can cover the whole cake, but for decorating little bit lifting it. Now that colorful soft. So one choco balls I have made it. How to make a choco balls? It's very simple, no need to hurry. Just you have to take one packet of any chocolate flavor biscuit, like a bourbon biscuit or Oreo biscuit, and take out its cream, and then mix it in the mixer grinder, and this is one cream of Oreo biscuit, and then nothing you have to do, only put some milk and make it spawn. So simple it's. Now here I'm making stars with Oreo cream. Now whipping cream we have made it at the low flame. So I'm writing name. I'm writing mom. You can, if your cake is bigger, so you can write Happy Mother's Day also. But here a little bit place is there, so I'm writing only mom. Now decorate with whipping cream. I'm decorating in the stars and chocoballs. So now our delicious cake is ready. So as you can see, oh my god, it's looking so delicious.